Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you are new to my channel, my name is Nolan, and in today's video I have got my Traxxas Xmaxx out with me. Now this is the Traxxas Xmaxx that I pretty recently installed the 1.5 mod gear conversion from Vitavon in. And today I'm actually at my top speed location, because we're going to get a top speed with the GPS with the new gearing. Because so far since installing the Vitavon gears, it changed up the gearing, and I haven't done a speed test. I think it's going to be pretty quick. The new gearing is now a 20-tooth pinion gear, and that's a 35-tooth Spur gear. So I'm interested to know how fast it's going to go. Now this also is not a stock system. This is actually a huge 1100 kV Hobbywing brushless motor combined with a Hobbywing Max 60 SC. And very recently I actually ditched the Traxxas plugs, and I did a pretty shoddy job soldering, but I soldered on some XT90s. As long as they hold, that's all that matters. They don't look pretty though. So we're going to be running 4-cell, 2 4-cells, so we're going to be running 8S total. They are these Atomik 6500 milliamp ADC discharge rate 4-cells with the XT90 plugs. Go ahead, put down in the comments below, what do you think it's going to get for a top speed? I think it'll be above 50. I'll be surprised if it's less than 50. So let me go ahead and get her powered up and we'll jump right in the speed test. Alrighty, I've got the GPS zeroed out, set to record the maximum speed in miles per hour. So I'll probably go ahead and get it, where do I want to put it? Probably up here. I think this is where I normally put it, right up here. I realized I broke my chassis right here. Is that broken or did I just lose a screw? Maybe I just lost a screw. Didn't notice that. On second thought, I'm actually going to probably tape it right here. This might be the spot to put it, right in there. Alrighty, GPS mounted up. Let's get her turned on and hop out on the road. You hear those gears. Definitely makes a very metallic, like jingly noise with these type of gears. They did resurface the road, and this is actually the road that I've used for my 100 mile per hour Traxxas Slash project, but even though they resurfaced it, the surface is actually worse now. It's not smooth, so I don't know if they're going to come back come spring and like resurface it some more, because otherwise it looks terrible and it's super bumpy, and it looks good from a distance, but when you're right on it, this road actually is not better than it was. It's worse than it was. All right, making sure it's clear. I don't want to go super far down that way because it looks like there's a lot of like dirt and stuff on the road from tractor or something going into the field. So we'll start from right there, and here she comes. I'm in. You got a little squirrely right there on the top end, but the good thing is the X-Maxx for the most part is pretty easy to control compared to most vehicles I bring out on speed tests, just because of that enormous weight. It's pretty planted. Okay, let's bring it back for another flyby on the throttle. Ooh, she's lifting. Alrighty, that time did not get up to full speed. One to pull a wheelie. All right, make sure it's clear. Let's do another one. Back in this direction. All right, still haven't quite gotten up to that full throttle yet. So I'm gonna walk a little bit further down. Ooh, crap. I lost throttle, I gotta run down to it. Don't want it to get hit. I don't know what happened. Gosh, fortunately nobody's coming. Jeez, thing just cut the power right in the middle of the road. What the heck? Let's see, it's still on, I can hear it. What happened? Here we have a red blinking light. Huh. Well, I guess since we're right here, we may as well check the speed. I don't think we got a legit top speed though. I was building up speed, maybe the very first pass we did coming from that direction, I think I got it up to full throttle for a second, but I don't think we actually reached peak speed, but let's check her out anyway. All right, and it was well above 50. I thought it'd be over 50. This might be a 60 mile per hour gearing setup here, guys. 58.7 miles per hour, and I don't even think we got up to top speed. 58.7, that's pretty darn quick. Wow. Let me pull this thing back to the side over where the Jeep is. See if it just needs to cool down. I don't think it's overheated or anything. I don't know what the red blinking light means, but all of a sudden it just killed the power in the middle of the road. So hopefully we'll be able to test it again. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, go ahead, hit that like button. Also subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever I do come out with new videos. Alright guys, I'm not sure what happened, but now we have power again. Got one car coming. Once this car goes past, we'll make one more valiant attempt. Alright, making sure it's clear. Hop back out on the road and go for another speed pass. I think we might be able to top 60 if I can keep it on the ground. Alright, take it back down that way. Alright. Okay, I had to let off, but I did get up to pinned. Alright, since it's clear, we'll do one more back. Gosh, we're losing, I don't know if we're losing signal, what's happening, but something's going on where it's killed our power again. So now I gotta walk further down here to go get it. Alright. Let me get it off to the side of the road. I don't know if we'll be able to do another speed test or not. I don't know what's going on. Let me make sure the GPS is still on. Okay, GPS is still on. Let's just check. Did we top 60 this time? Alrighty guys, that time we did get an even faster top speed. We went 60 miles per hour on the dot. 60.0. So this is a 60 mile per hour gearing setup right here. I don't know if we'd be able to squeeze much more out of her. So that might be the last pass I'm gonna do. But I think we can safely say this thing will go over 60 miles per hour with the 20-tooth Pinion and the 35-tooth Spur gear from Vitavon. But 60 miles per hour, really not too shabby. That's pretty good speed. More than enough speed. I mean, you could see on the speed test when I was going past, I was having a hard time keeping the front end down. The front end just wanted to keep on lifting. So I think we only got one or two good passes in, and we maybe could have eked out another mile per hour or two, but I think pretty much 60 mile an hour is probably about where this gearing puts you. So pretty darn quick. So once again guys, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.